Alright, happy Sunday to you all. Trust you all are cool. So I believe most of you guys, I be everybody. Now don't shop white rice and stew. Okay, it's a blessed Sunday already. But me I dey crave for fried rice and chicken. I beg. Anybody will get drop location or hit me up. Yeah, hit me up. So I want to take you guys to our website. Let me take it from Finis browser. Okay, so for most of you guys that don't really know, Authentic Brand already has a website, a blog website where we publish content on how to make money online. So let me search our website. So just head straight to any browser of your choice. Go any Google Chrome, Safari, Opera Mini, anywhere. Understand? Just search for Authenticmedia.online. But they no carry you go where you don't know. Share you see the URL, right? Authenticmedia.online. So let's get inside and see what's popping. Hola guys, this is our website. Okay, hope you guys can see it. Very neat, very sound and clean. If there's another word for beautiful, I believe you just call it our website, right? So for those of you guys that don't really know, we publish content in this website every day. I think my network is not that really clear because there's a heavy rain right here. Serious better rain they fall for here like this. So my network may be blushing somehow. Okay. So like I was saying, for most of you guys that don't really know, the Authentic Brand already has a website where we publish content on ways you can leverage the internet and make money online. You know, how you can grow your social media, everything online visibility, how you can go viral, how you can benefit in the online world. Sure you get. So that's exactly what we do right here. And we publish content on this website every day. So you guys should do well to be checking our website, okay? Do well to be checking our website. You can search it on any browser of your choice, Authenticmedia.online. So most of these ones are our today's content. So this one is top TikTok trends you should leverage on to go viral. So this particular blog post is for my TikTok buddies. Let me click on the content. Let's see. All my TikTok buddies, people who won't get 100,000 subscribers, be followers on TikTok. This particular blog post is for you, you know, to educate you on what to do, how to go about it. So if you look at the category right here, you will see it's based on social media and blog posts, right? So first of all, you have to get familiar with the TikTok algorithm. So that is one benefit of our website. They will first of all call you to order of things you're supposed to know, you know, things you're supposed to put in place before they yarn you the Ogbenge gist, you know. Okay, so they're already serving small ads right here. Creating engaging content, best practices, case studies, successful TikTok creators, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot of things you have to do, current TikTok trends to watch. So this particular outline right here, they will give you the outline and the breakdown, so you just have to read everything, okay? So that is just that. Let's scroll. YouTube short monetization, everything you need to know. For those of you guys that want to enter into YouTube monetization, whether faceless YouTube or YouTube automation, anyone, you need all this content to know how you can go viral and start cashing out from YouTube, okay? How to create a viral Pinterest pin. I know most of you guys don't really know about Pinterest. Let's open this content. Sorry. Most of you guys don't really know about Pinterest. Pinterest is just a social media platform like your normal Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and so on and so forth, right? But it's more of a search engine like Google, Chrome, and so on and so forth. But it's more of foreign, you know. Now Igbo people get Pinterest. Now why most of us Nigerians, Africans are not really familiar with it, okay? But if you really want to go viral, if you really want to connect with your Igbos, then this particular post is for you. You will know how Pinterest works, how to create a viral Pinterest pin, you know, and start going viral. And if you are somebody that run a blog website, you're still supposed to prioritize Pinterest, right? It's a very powerful search engine where you can drive massive traffic to either an affiliate, maybe you're an affiliate marketer. You can drive traffic from here to your store, or maybe you're a blogger like me. You write content online, you can drive traffic right here. So you guys can see they are already serving small ads. So you can tap on the ad. It doesn't take you anywhere bad. It doesn't take anything much from you. Okay. You guys can see, so you don't really need, just tap on it to interact. So this is just a kind of little way of supporting our ministry, right? So that's how it be. So the more the ads are being interacted with, on the long run, they will start getting some small stipends that they will be from there. I'll be maintaining the website, because this is just like somebody will open shop. Your shop go need maintenance. Maybe you are selling boutique drinks. Sorry guys, beverages or anything. At some point you need funds, to maintain the business, to pay your workers and everybody. So that's where they generate the funds to maintain the website. So that is just that, guys. The best time to post on each social media platform. A lot of juicy content on our website. You cannot go wrong to visit our website. So I will implore you all to make sure you visit our website every day, because we used to drop banger content. Yes, we drop banger content on our website every day. Interesting website. How to make money on Instagram. Damn. So a lot of juicy content that you can't afford to miss, okay? So thank you guys as you support us. Bless my network don't see it's final. Okay, so that's just that, guys. Do well to check our website every day for your daily nuggets on how to make money online, how to grow your social media platform, how to go viral online, and so on and so forth. Everything online benefits. Now that's what they talk for our channel right here. So thank you all. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday and stay cool. Bye.